Hello students, good morning to everyone. You are most welcome in the Google Class Meet. First you mark your attendance, then we will proceed further. I think you must have on the camera actually. I think you must have completed exercise 10.2. Now, so can you hear me? Students, please tell me, can you hear me? Okay. Then today we are going to solve some extra questions which are not given in your book, but these questions are frequently asked in the examination. So first note down first question. A circle is touching the side BC of triangle ABC at P and touching AB and AC produced at Q and R respectively. Prove that AQ is half of perimeter of triangle ABC. These questions are 2 or 3 marks. So first draw a diagram. This is a circle. Draw a circle and ABC is a triangle. ABC is a triangle touching the circle at P. This point is point P and AB side is produced and it touches the circle at Q and produced side AC touches the circle at R. We have to prove this part AQ is half of the perimeter of triangle ABC. So proof. Recall theorem 10.2. The length of two tangents drawn from a point outside the circle are equal. So we have BQ is equal to BP, right? CR or CP is equal to CR and A is also outside the circle. So the tangent AQ is equal to AR. The length of tangents drawn from the length of tangents drawn from a point outside the circle are equal. This is the reason behind it. That is theorem 10.2. Now, what is the perimeter of triangle ABC? The sum of three sides of a triangle is perimeter of triangle ABC. So perimeter perimeter of triangle ABC can be written as sum of three sides. So AB plus BC plus CA or AC, right? Now according to figure, this AB can be written as AQ minus BQ, AQ minus BQ plus BC. BC can be written as BP plus CP, BP plus CP plus CA or AC. CA can be written as AR minus CR, AR minus CR. Now this can be written as AQ minus, in place of BP, we can write BP. BQ is equal to BP plus BP plus
फोन लैंडस्केप में रखने के
you keep your phone in
लैंडस्केप
Arpita Bhatt, can you hear me? Arpita,
फोन लैंडस्केप में रखो
फोन लैंडस्केप में रखना है.
स्क्रीन रोटेशन करके यस
हाँ यस.
आप क्लास में उनको भी समझना है
Now CP can be written as CR plus AR can be written as AQ. So AQ minus CR. Using these equality sign, in place of BP, we have written BQ. In place of BQ, that is BP. In place of CP, that is CR. In place of AR, that is AQ minus CR. So this term minus plus cancel, and again CR plus CR minus cancel, right? Now area of perimeter of triangle ABC, perimeter of triangle ABC is equal to, so add AQ plus AQ. What will be the addition? When we are adding AQ 2 times, the addition will be 2AQ. That is, AQ can be written as this half of perimeter perimeter of triangle ABC. Hence proved. Any doubt? Now second question. Second question. Note down question also. In the given figure, second question. In the given figure, AB is equal to AC. Prove that BE is equal to EC. So figure is given. This is a circle. Draw a circle. And this is a triangle. Triangle is ABC. And D is the point of contact. ABC is a triangle which touches the circle at point D, E and F. These points are point of contact. What is given? AB is equal to AC given. AB is equal to AC. Given. It means triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. In other words, we can say this triangle is an isosceles triangle. RTP required to prove BE is equal to EC. This we have to prove, required to prove. Now proof. Again, according to theorem 10.2, that is, length of two tangents drawn from a point outside the circle are equal in length. So AD will equal to AF, AD will equal to AF, BD will equal to BE, and CE will equal to CF. Right? You every time she is rotating like this. So please.
Arpita, are you able to hear? आपका फोन को रोटेट कर दो, लैंडस्केप में रखो, नहीं तो कैमरा बंद कर दो.
नहीं सुन रही है, आवाज ही नहीं जा रही है. कई बार बोला तो लेकिन नहीं.
Beginning of the class, you can switch on the camera and you say good morning to teacher, and then you can switch off the camera. Okay? Arpita, switch off the camera.
So now AB is equal to AC given. AB can be written as BD plus AD. BD plus AD. AB AB can be written as this part plus this part. Now AC can be written as CF plus AF plus AF, right? In place of BD, we can write BE. So BE plus, in place of AD, we can write AF is equal to CF. In place of CF, we can write EC or CE, and plus AF as it is. So in place of BD, we have written BE. In place of AD, what we have written? AF. In place of CE, CF, we have written CE or EC. We have to prove EC. So that's why we have written EC. And plus AF as it is. Now AF both sides cancel. Okay. Now what is remaining? BE is equal to EC. And this we have to prove. BE is equal to EC. Any doubt? Now come to question number 3rd. Question number 3rd. Third part. मैंने बोला मैं नहीं, कुछ नहीं, सुन ही नहीं पा रही है और रहने नहीं सुन पा रही हो।
कैमरा ऑफ करो, वीडियो ऑफ करो।
कैमरा ऑफ कर दो अर्पिता।
वीडियो ऑफ करो।
कुछ नहीं सुन रही है। टू सर्कल्स, उसके चलते और डिस्टर्ब हो जाएगा। टच each other at the point C. Prove that the common tangent to the circle at C bisect the common tangent at P and Q. So note down this question, question number 3rd. Two circles touch each other at point C. Prove that the common tangent to the circle at C bisect the common tangent at P and Q. Figure is given. So there are two circles. Touch each other externally. This is common tangent. Say P, a Q, and another tangent. This point is R, and this point of contact is C, and the center of these circles are A and B respectively. So two circles touch each other at point C. This is point of contact of two circles. Prove that the common tangent to the circle at C. This is common tangent to the circle at C. Bisect the common tangent at P and Q. So we have to prove PR is equal to RQ. Required to prove PR is equal to RQ or QR. PR is equal to RQ. It means R is the midpoint of common tangent PQ. Now proof. In bigger circle, what will be equal? RP is equal to RC. In larger circle or in bigger circle, in larger circle, we have RP is equal to RC. Region is the same. You write the length of two tangents drawn from a point outside the circle, that is from an external point, are equal in length. Similarly, in a smaller circle, R is a point outside the circle, so RQ will be equal to RC. RQ will equal to RC. Right? Region is the same. So from equation 1 and 2, both sides of right hand side are equal. So left hand side will also be equal. From equation 1 and 2. From equation 1 and 2, we have RP is equal to RQ. It means R is the midpoint of common tangent P and Q. The point R bisects the common tangent. This part is proved. Now, question number 4. Question number 4. किसी का डाउट तो नहीं है? So come to question number 4. PA and PB are tangents from P to the circle with center O at point M. A tangent is drawn cutting PA at K and PB at N. prove that Kn is equal to AK plus Bn. So let us draw a diagram. This is a circle and P is a point outside the circle. From this point, how many tangents we can draw on the circle? Right, 2 tangents. So these are 2 tangents from this external point, and the point of contact is A and this point is B. One more tangent is drawn. This is center of the circle. This point is K, this point is M, and this point of contact is M. And we have to prove Kn. This length of this part is equal to AK plus Bn. So Bn. Now proof. Kn is given. Kn is equal to AK plus Bn. This we have to prove. Sorry, Kn. This Kn can be written as Km plus Mn. This Kn can be written as Km plus Mn or Nm. Now, Km will be equal to Ka or AK plus Nm. This Nm can be written as Bn. So Km in rough, Km is equal to AK and Nm is equal to Bn. Region is the same. Length of 2 tangents. Length of 2 tangents drawn from an external point. Drawn from an external point of a circle are equal. So K is a point outside the circle. So Km will equal to Ka or AK. So Km will be equal to AK. Similarly, point N is outside the circle. So Nm will equal to Bn or Nb. So Nm will equal to Bn. So these questions are of 1 or 2 marks. Now come to question number 5th. Question number 5th. A circle is inscribed. A circle is inscribed in a triangle ABC having sides 8 centimeter, 10 centimeter and 12 centimeter as shown in the figure. Find AD, BE and CF. So this is a circle. Draw a circle of any radius, and this is a triangle. Triangle is A, B, C, and point of contact is D, E, F. This is 12 centimeter. AB. This is 8 centimeter. And this is 10 centimeter AC. So first draw this diagram. A circle is inscribed in triangle ABC, means circle is inside the circle, inside the triangle, having sides 8 centimeter. This is 8 centimeter, 10 centimeter, and this is 12 centimeter. We have to find the values of AD, B and CF. So AD will equal to AF is equal to X. Say these two parts are equal. X. This is Y. BD will equal to BE, that is say Y. And this part is Z, that is CE is equal to CF is equal to Z. Reason is the same. The length of two tangents drawn from a point outside the circle are equal in length. Now, according to the question, we can write X plus Y is equal to 12. Say equation number 1. Right? Then Y plus Z is equal to 8. Say equation number 2. And X plus Z is equal to 10. Say equation number 3. Now add these three equations. Adding equation 1, 2 and 3, we get X plus X, that is 2X, plus Y plus Y, 2Y, plus z plus z 2z, 12 plus 8 20 plus 10 30, right? Now this can be written as 2 is common, so x plus y plus z is equal to 30, or x plus y plus z is equal to how much? 30 divided by 2, that is 15, right? Now x plus y is equal to 12 from equation 1. So 12 x plus y, 12 plus z is equal to 15. So x plus y is equal to 12 from equation 1. So you can easily find the value of z, or z is equal to 15 minus 12, that is 3, right? 3. Now, when z is known from equation 3, from equation 3, we have x plus z is equal to 10. So x plus 3 is equal to 10. So x is equal to 10 minus 3, that is 7. So x is known, z is 3, x is 7. So from equation 2, we have y plus z is equal to 8. In place of x, in place of z, we can put 3 is equal to 8. And this implies that y is equal to, that is 8 minus 3, 5. So all unknown quantities are known, the value of x, the value of y, and the value of z. So what will be the value of AD? Now AD is equal to x, x means 7 centimeter. CE is equal to Z, Z means 3 centimeter. And BD is equal to Y, Y means 5 centimeter. Right? So we had to find the values of AD, BE. So you write BEY 5 centimeter. BD, BE. You write BE. So this is BE. And CF, this is CF. So AD 7 centimeter, BE 5 centimeter, CF 3 centimeter. Correct. एक क्वेश्चन और कर ले। अच्छा ला, क्योंकि मेरा पीरियड है इसलिए। नाउ कम टू द क्वेश्चन नंबर 6. Question number 6. This is the last question. A triangle PQR is drawn to circumscribe a circle of radius 8 centimeter such that the tangents QT and TR into which QR is divided by the point of contact T are lengths 14 centimeter and 16 centimeter respectively. If area of triangle PQR is equal to 336 centimeter square, find the sides PQ and PR. Figure is given. This is a circle and PQR is a triangle. This is PQR. This point is T. O is the center of the circle. This point is B. This point is C. And (14, 16 centimeter). This is 14 centimeter. This part. And this is 16 centimeter. This part. We have to find the value of PQ and PR. So solution. QR will be equal to QC, that is 14 centimeter. This point is T. So RT will be equal to RB, 16 centimeter, and TB equal to PC, that is say X. Now area of this triangle is given. So how can find the area of this triangle PQR? This is radius. Radius is always perpendicular to the tangent. So radius is 8 centimeter. It is given in the figure. This is also radius 8 centimeter. This is also radius 8 centimeter. If we join this and this, so area of triangle PQR can be written as area of triangle PQR can be written as area of triangle QOR plus area of triangle ROP plus area of triangle POQ. Right? Now this area is given 336. Now area of this triangle will be half into base. Base is 30 into 8 plus half into base. This is 16, this is x, so x plus 16 into 8, and plus this is 14, this is x. So half, a base is x plus 14 into 8. This can be written as 336. 8 by 2 is common. So 30 plus x plus 16 plus x plus 14. Right? This can be written as 4 into x plus x, 2x. And 30 plus 30 is 60. So 3, 3, 4, 2, again 2 is common. This can be written as x plus 30. Now x plus 30 will be equal to 3, 3, 4 by 4 into 2. This coefficient will be divided. So 4, 3, 3, 4, so divided by 4, 8 times. So just you divide by 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 6s are 12, 2 7s are. Now you can find the value of x. So x plus 30 is equal to 167 by 4. By cross multiplication, 4x plus 120, 167. So 4x, 167 minus 120, that is 4x is equal to 7. Something is wrong. So you first check the value of x. X should be equal to 12. So we have committed slightly mistake somewhere. So first you check it. This is for your homework. Thank you and have a nice day.